This is the 65. Today's most significant move, weighed against each signal's own normal range, 69 BPS from the phase 2 gate, moved sharply versus its prior reading, the most material single signal move in the fresh data. That's our open. Now the cycle behind it. Start with the backbone, where we are in the macro cycle. The framework reads phase 1 expansion. Investment-grade spreads sit at 81 basis points, high yield at 270 basis points, the yield curve positive at 0.47%, unemployment steady at 4.1%. The master rule is simple: phase 2 is not confirmed while investment-grade stays below 150. So, what would move us? The single line to watch is investment-grade credit. At 81 basis points, we sit 69 away from the 150 gate. No forecast here, just the distance to the level that confirms the next phase. Until then, expansion holds. Now the cross-asset board, every name graded on how it fits this phase. NVDA tops the table at 94, MSFT at 93, BTC at 93. These are rankings by the framework score. What's most in tune with the regime, not a list to go by. Here's where it gets interesting, the spots where the crowd and our engine disagree. Tracked voices lean one way while the framework reads another. We surface the gap, not a verdict. Disagreement is information. One live signal stands out today, 15Y mortgage rate, a context series. Measured against its own normal range, it's the day's most material move, down 0.2% to 5.95. We show what it tracks, the structure beneath the number, never a call. The board's top company today is Alphabet Inc., A88 on the BL score, a strong buy by the engine's own band. Underneath that headline are 5 layers, the market-wide macro backdrop every name shares, then its own pillars, profitability at 92, balance sheet at 84, and capital efficiency at 89. Strong fundamentals, stated plainly. Across the 11 sectors, consumer discretionary and energy lead at 80, both sitting in phase 1 expansion. Healthcare trails at 63, the only sector the framework places at a phase 2 peak, each ranked by score, each placed in the cycle. Before we close, the one thing to watch: investment-grade credit at the 150 line. At 81 basis points, it sits 69 below the gate. That's the level that flips the read from expansion to confirmation. Everything else is noise until it moves. That's the board for today. 65 signals, one read on the cycle. Educational, structural, never advice. We'll see you at the next reading.